How to change notification panel in Android device. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly scroll down to go to your notification section. Click on the three dots and click on edit. Now here you can simply add or remove any icon from here. Simply click on plus if you want to add or click on minus if you want to remove it. Then go to settings and go to notification and status bar. Here you can see by location how the notification appears on your phone. To change it, simply go to status bar. Now here you can see a list of features that you can see in your status bar. If you want to remove it, simply toggle it off. Then after go to more setting and make sure enhanced notification feature is toggled on. Go to notification history and toggle this feature as well. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.